Hi guys, just wanted to show you something. I received this package today. Okay, I know what's in here. It's basically uh, some plants that I ordered from this Plant and Co. It's not an affiliate marketing thing today. I just wanted to share my excitement with you guys. My husband keeps telling me that I have enough plants, but well, I don't think I have. And there's some plants over here that I've always wanted. Okay, I ordered 3 plants, and well, the one that I've always wanted is the Monstera Delhi. I know it's a kind of Monstera. Okay, so here it says Monstera Delhi delictosa. Okay, and then I've always wanted, the plant that looks a little bit like a horseshoe. When the leaves are like a horseshoe, that's called Alocasia amazonica. Okay, so that's another plant that I've always wanted to get. And then when they were on live on the channel on TikTok, this company, they were advertising this plant called, it's a type of philodendron, and apparently it's a totem. Looked different, so I just wanted it. Each of these plants have come nicely packed like this. And this one says, oh, it's got a little tag saying, "Hi, my name is Monstera deliciosa." Only thing is, I don't think it is. I don't think this is the right one. Anyway, let's open it and we will see. I'm excited. Guys, for some reason, I'm always filming right when the sun is about to set. So I don't know why. I had the whole day, but I'm doing it now. But anyway, the plants came in the afternoon. So this one definitely is not Monstera deliciosa, because this is the one that I found really strange, unless I'm wrong. So I will do a part 2 video when I've already planted these plants into proper pots. This one I thought really looked prehistoric, don't you think? And I don't know whether this is, no, it's not a flower. So it looks so different. Yeah, so I wanted that. And this one I've always wanted. I had one variety before, and then it died. I mean, after a long time, so I just wanted to get another one. And this, I've wanted this forever. This is the one that they call sometimes daun tapak kuda, which is like a shoe, horseshoe. Tapak kuda is horseshoe in Bahasa Malaysia. So this one is basically, if I'm not wrong, okay, I'm pretty sure this is the Amazonica or something like that. This is the philodendron. Where is it? This is the philodendron. Sorry guys. This is the Alocasia amazonica, Amazon, and this one is the Monstera. Okay, and this one, guys, is the totem. The plant that is called philodendron totem. Okay, so I would plant these. I have 2 nice pots that I've kept, and then I have another one. One of it doesn't have a nice pot, so I need to go and get some nice pots. We'll see. I'll do a part 2 when I show you how these plants look. I thought I'll have a little chat with you guys. My friends, have any of you felt that, as you age, as you grow older, the memories of childhood, the memories of your teenhood comes flooding back? It's not like you want to go back in time, but you want parts of your childhood and your growing up years. You want those experiences. You want to feel those experiences again. You want to feel that way again. Do you ever feel that way? I think that is what I'm doing these days by growing vegetables and all. It's basically recreating, not going back, but recreating those feelings, those memories that I grew up with. Because I grew up in plantations, and my father was an estate manager. I think I've mentioned that to you guys a long time ago. Those of you who are from Johor, who are from the south, would know. And if you're my age, or rather in your midlife, you would know about Guthrie plantations. Well, my dad was a manager in the Guthrie plantations, and I grew up in the plantations. So our houses were surrounded by rubber trees, and though it was cultivated like crops, sort of, but it was nature. You know, I was surrounded by nature, and we would have big, huge gardens where my parents would. There would be lots of trees. There would be fruit trees. There would be plants everywhere, flowers, and both my parents love plants. So, and we would have a lot of help, of course, unlike now. Okay, but I was surrounded by nature, guys. So right now, at this time in my life, I'm trying to recreate everything, those memories, and of course, my dad is no more, but it was because of him that we lived the way we did. But well, just sharing a little bit of my life, and you guys share too. You know how you feel, and if there are memories of the past that you want to bring back to your life now, to drop in a line. Bye, guys. Here's Shakila Shanmugam signing off, and I will do another video once I planted these plants into their respective pots. Bye, guys.